Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the simple ways in improving your image color using Photoshop. Method 1. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Go to File, then, Open. Select the image you want to edit. Click Open. Step 2. Check the Layers option. Go to Window, then, Layers. Step 3. Right-click on your background image. Click on Duplicate Layer. Step 4. You can name your own layer and click OK. Step 5. Have the newly created layer selected. Go to Image, then, Autotone. Method 2. Step 1. Duplicate your original image to create new layer. Step 2. Have the newly created layer selected. Go to Image, then, Auto Contrast. Method 3. Step 1. Duplicate your original image to create new layer. Step 2. Have the newly layer selected. Go to Image, then, Auto Color. You can choose the method that best works for your image. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.